Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 12th, 2020, and here we are. Today we're going to update you all on Ethereum, give you all our expectations of what we expect the trap to do going forward, give you all a forecast and a prediction as to what we're looking for the price to be before the trap actually gets there. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate that. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel as well, hit the bell notification. You know, you guys don't want to miss out of whenever we upload our content on this particular medium. You can also join us on other social media platforms, i.e. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, as well as on our own website. You can join us there. It is free. All you have to do is come in, sign up, and you also have access to the other information on our own website. So now, here we are. October the 6th was the last day we did our video for Ethereum, and you guys can see right there we expected some weakness to play out in Ethereum, right? But then you guys can see right here that our expectations into the market in Ethereum, we told you all on that particular video that we will skim off a little bit around $340, and literally that's about as low as the trap took the market. So the next 2 days following the October the 6th was the only opportunity for us to skim off a little bit of that market right before the market shot up higher in price. So, and we told you that on that video, that if the market doesn't move lower, like in the next 2 to 3 days from October the 6th, that it's becoming less and less likely that we're going to see a bigger move to the downside. And that's precisely what occurred. So at least maybe 4.12% the next 2 days following October the 6th could have been bagged into our pockets, taken from the trap, given right back to us, because literally you can see now that Ethereum is in trend. The trap is telling us that he wants to hold this ascending line. Okay, the trap is telling us all of this weakness that played out on these particular days right here. To make that better, on these trading days right here is literally gone. You know, these particular trading days that brought the market value lower for Ethereum has been absorbed right here. The market absorbed it, letting us know that the trap definitely wants to keep the value of Ethereum moving in one direction, which for the moment is one of higher price. Okay, that is definitely being seen over the last couple of trading days. So let's not be confused with what he is showing us right now. And when you look at the market in Ethereum on a 3-day chart, you know, the strength definitely is being emphasized. It is being seen and is being depicted on the price chart. So we're looking at strength on the 3-day chart. We are also seeing strength on the 5-day chart. Okay, the market in Ethereum is definitely showing us pretty good indication of strength. So if there's anyone out there that is looking bearish on the market in Ethereum, we might want to equate and do another relook, do a retake at the price chart to get an idea as to how strong the market in Ethereum really is. Because when you look at these multiple time frames in Ethereum, you continually see that all of the weakness that placated itself on all of these consecutive weeks was bought up. You know, simply the trap bought the weakness in Ethereum right here around 320 to around $360. And that was the perfect opportunity for the market, the other participants, to come in and participate right along with him while he was in that process. And we still might be in that process. You know, we haven't broken this restriction area of $400. Okay, that is restriction for Ethereum in the long term. So this consolidational range for Ethereum is between $400 all the way back down to $320. Okay, so that's an $80 difference in between the consumption that the trap has been buying up Ethereum at those levels. Okay, until we see the market in Ethereum really break above, you know, $400, the market trend is still going to be consolidational trading with the increase of ascension in price, because Ethereum is probably one of the only cryptocurrency that is following this particular type of ascending line. It's the only market that is still trending higher in price, which is beneficial, which is great to see. Okay, Looking at the market in Ethereum on a 3-week chart, again, we have endured some weakness on the 3-week chart. Currently, we're still seeing some indication of strength, but I can't emphasize enough, $400 is something that we need to be watchful of in Ethereum going forward. Okay, so already, the expectation into the market in Ethereum will be for us to see some higher price. Now for us, what we're seeing as an area of which sellers will appear will be around $400. Okay, so in this particular forecast, we need to pay attention to that $400 price level. In or around that vicinity is where the market would come in and find more sellers. So it's only about 3.36%, not much, but that's literally the location that we need to be watchful for to see the market try to go back down in lower price, right there around $400. Okay, now I can still see a lot of the strength in Ethereum on these longer time frames, specifically on the 5-day, that the market can come up there to around 420, but I'm not too confident in that just yet because I want to see the market break $400 to the upside first. Okay, $400 breakage to the upside from the trap would definitely bring into focus $420. That's the next area of restriction. Okay, so for this particular forecast, this is what we're going to do. We are going to continually play some of the strength into the market in Ethereum. $400 around that particular price level, not exact, would be TP. Like I told us, about 3% profitability in the market of that particular move. And then again, we're going to look at 420 for restriction. That's the next area into which we will be expecting to see the trap or see more sellers come into the market. And that's it. Let's go ahead and play this on the daily time frame. And then I'm going to give you all the opportunity to give us your prediction as well. For us, we're looking for the market in Ethereum to go higher in price. $400 is our TP price. 420 will be the next area. Now, what do you see? Are you seeing the market in Ethereum as bullish as well? Are you seeing the market doing a fake out? Are we going to go lower? Are we going to consolidate? What do you see? And where do you expect the market to be at in the next week, in the next 4 days? Tell us with a comment in the comment section. And that's it. We're here to forecast and predict prices on where the market's going to be before it actually gets there. I want you all to join us too. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and we will speak again on our next video.